My name is Yawei Song. I graduated from the social work program back in 2015. I'm right now working at the Thomas Jefferson University, the Cancer Center, specifically for the community outreach and engagement. So I'm the program manager for the outreach team. I do have passion for helping people. I think it brings me a lot of joy and satisfaction, and I feel like I'm doing something meaningful. And I think SP2 does have a lot to offer. So how broad that experience is really meaningful and have a long-lasting impact for me. It was a really fun journey to learning all the different opportunities and what is social work really means. I think it's a much broader profession even than I initially anticipated. Especially with the social work program, I personally really cherish the opportunity to have that field placement because you are working in the field, you are having this practice and implementation, and you are improving your skill set by practicing it. So for me, I think I really appreciate we're not just learning through books, right? We're learning through experience, through practice. So yeah, I feel like there's a lot to offer.